You're probably wasting half your time in hybrid meetings. And the worst part is, most of it is fixable with a few small tweaks. In this video, I'm going to break down what actually works in a hybrid workplace and what's just a giant waste of your time. So here's the reality. Teams are no longer fully remote, and they're no longer fully in person. It's not rocket science. You've got 3 people in the office, 4 people on Zoom, and 1 person calling in from their car. And what happens? Stand-ups drag on, retros feel flat, sprint reviews lose energy, half the team zones out. Hybrid can work, but only if you treat it differently, not as a worst version of in-person collaboration. So what works versus what's waste? So number 1, stand-ups. What works? Well, keep them short, focused, and use a shared board on a screen so everyone has the same view. And what's waste? Going around the room physically first and then remembering remote folks at the end. Treat everyone as remote. Number 2, retrospectives. What works? Digital boards, things like Miro, Mural, Microsoft Teams, whatever suits your context. Everyone can contribute silently first, then discuss themes. What's waste? Open round tables with people in the room dominating while remote folks go quiet and start emptying the dishwasher. Number 3, planning and reviews. So what works? Demos with the customer in mind and recorded if necessary. Planning with clear facilitation and breakout tools. What's waste? Well, you've all been there. Long hybrid marathons where half the team can't see the whiteboard properly. Number 4, big events. What works? PI planning or things like big kickoffs. They're best done in person where energy and alignment matter most. What's wasteful is forcing everyone into hybrid just for consistency. Be intentional. So there are some fixes you can put in place from tomorrow if you wanted to make hybrid working actually work. So default to digital first. Even if some people are together, everyone using the same digital tools is going to help. No split experience. Design for interaction, not attendance. Retros, planning, strategy sessions, make them engaging. If people are just listening, make it asynchronous. And pick your battles. Some things are worth flying people in for. Others can live happily online. Don't mix them up. So here's the bottom line. Hybrid work doesn't have to be painful. If you design your events and meetings with intention, you get the best of both, being remote and flexible. And that's it. Hybrid isn't the devil, and neither is remote working. And if you like this video, there'll be another one there that YouTube probably thinks you'll like.